Assalamu alaikum, dear all friend. Measles overview: symptom, causes, diagnose, risk factor, prevention. Since the structure to part is part, one by one is defined in other part. Measles overview: Measles is the childhood infection caused by a virus, once quite common. Measles can be in the almost always prevent with a vaccine. Also, cell rubella measles can be serious and the even fell of the small children. When death rate has been the feeling, is the death of the city has been feeling in the worldwide in the more children receiving the measles vaccine in the disease still kill more than 1 billion people almost 1 year. 2014 people killed in 600 cases in the 1 year. Most cases in the arrangement in the outside of the country of the incorrected in this people of the over vaccine is the who do not in the weather of the north had been vaccinated. Symptom: measles sign and symptoms appear around 10 to 14 days of the episode. In this, the various sign and symptom of the measles topical include fever, dry cough, runny nose, sore throat, inflamed eye. Tenny the white is the support of the within the bluish white of the center in this the red background found inside of the mouth of the inner earning. Is the check also said coplical stop. Infection and incubation period 10 to 14 days. You are the infect measles very incubation periods. You have sign and symptom is the measles during this time. Nasopacific sign and symptom. Measles topical begin within the mild moderate fever. Often complication is the patient presented in the cough, runny nose, inflamed eye. In the conjunctive system in the sore throat, the real activation may last 2 of the 3 days. Acute illness, skin rash, communication period. Causes: measles is the high contained illness caused by virus is the topical of the nose of throat. In the complication then is the sometime the infected the drop my he is the also land on the surfaces whether in the raining he is the hover is the service to you is the contract virus petting to you is the finger in this the mouth of nose air. Risk factor: being in unvaccinated, traveling internally, having in the vitamin A deficiency, complication, ear infection, bronchitis, laryngitis of the crops, pneumonia, encephalitis, pregnancy problem. Prevention: the Center of the Disease Control and Prevention recommended that the children and adults receive in the measles vaccine. Prevented measles vaccine in children, measles vaccine in adult. Is recommended to you dose in this the children, recommended dose in this the adult. Treatment: there is shown in the specific treatment for the measles, but there in the things you can if do you not think you have come in the connected with it. There is no specific treatment of the measles condition, usually impress within 2 10 days. In the JP is the problem suggest taking thing in this the unusual is the very last in the 4 day from when the measles rash first appear is the reduced second rash is the separate of the measles. Other part of the infection he is the usually antibiotic use of the children and adults. Thank you. Next week.